Hello everyone, welcome back to again my channel Decor for you. In this video, I am going to share with you I-shape or rectangular hall fall ceiling designs with two fans. In the video, I have shared fall ceiling design with two fans for your living room, drawing room or hall. I hope you will find these ideas helpful for you. If you like the video, you can like it and share it. If you are new on this channel, you can subscribe this channel for more such type of design and ideas. In the video, we are going to discuss about some designs which are trending in these days. The house we live in not only provides us shelter and warmth but also acts as a form of inspiration. The environment is one of the key factors to determine how we feel, and what better way to make us feel good than a beautiful house. When most of us think of decorating our houses, we think of fancy furniture, paintings, or renovations, but we forget an important part which can light up the house and make it beautiful beyond imagination. If you have not guessed, it is already guessed. It is the ceiling. Ceiling designs can give your house a unique charm that no amount of art or furniture can do. Ceilings are not meant to be white and flat. Ceiling designs can give your house a unique charm. These false ceiling designs, which I have showed in the video with two fans, can help you achieve your desired look without remodeling the entire hall. False ceilings are popular nowadays, and due to their immense popularity, it has become easier for people to embellish the beauty of any space, be it in the living room, bedroom, or in office. Now we talk about designs. Our first design is a layered tree. This is an elegant architectural design that is charming and sophisticated. Tray ceilings look like inverted trees with lower outer edges. This particular fall ceiling through brings visual interest to the bedroom. Though it is a layered structure, it is also a perfect platform for hanging an eye-catching chandelier. That's why it is suitable for your living room, hall, or drawing room. They look extremely stylish in I-shaped hall with two fans and one chandelier. Circular fall ceiling designs. In this design, a circular shape is cut out from the fall ceiling, making it an ideal place to fix your fan or chandelier. While this is a minimal look, you can also opt for multiple circles cut out from the ceiling and install a recessed light in each of the circles to enhance the beauty of the room. These ceilings look extremely stylish with I-shaped hall. You can create a beautiful two big size circle in your ceiling like in this picture to create an eye-catching look. Floating island ceilings. This design helps in highlighting a specific area. It is floating because it is suspended from the ceiling with and gives an exotic look. In ceiling design with two fans, you can create two beautiful floating islands in I-shape ceiling design that look extremely stylish. Furthermore, they look extremely eye-catching by decorating with beautiful colorful lights. And with one another idea like this, you can create a floating island between the two fans, and you can hang a chandelier on this floating tray that looks extremely eye-catching in your hall, living room, or drawing room. Simple false ceiling design with profile lights can be also a good option for anyone who wants a simplicity in their hall, living room, or drawing room. Because profile lights are a new concept in fall ceilings and they are trending in these days and look extremely simple but stylish. Various type of designs can be created using profile lights. I-shape is not an exception. In your I-shape hall, you can create beautiful designs with two fans using profile lights. Friends, I have shared one specific video about profile lighting fall ceiling. You can also check that video for further more ideas. Wooden fall ceilings with two fans can also be good options if you want to create a rich and expansive look in your living room or hall, because the living room or hall is the area where every guest and every friend come and sit. It display your thoughts to others. So that's why it become important while planning fall ceiling design for hall, drawing room or living room. We should keep in mind much more things than as compared to other part of a house like your bathrooms, your bedrooms. POP fall ceiling design for hall with two fans can also be good and cheap option for anyone. Gypsum board is not the only material that can be used to create fall ceilings. Many other materials can also be used like PVC. POP is one of the most popular material after gypsum board because POP offer you lots of option in designing, much more color combination option in ceilings, and the most good thing about the POP fall ceiling, they are suitable for low height ceilings because POP doesn't require the 6-inch space for creating a fall ceiling. This requires much more less space as compared to gypsum board or any other material like wood. That's why it can be also a good option for those persons who are finding that will help you to keep your room is height same. Viewers, in the video, I have shared more than 100 ideas of fall ceiling for your main hall that will help you to find a beautiful design for your main hall. I hope you will like the video. If you like the video, you can also write in comment box. Thank you for visiting here. Enjoy the video.